welcome to Indian Drives. My name is Yash, and in this video, we bring you this week's news from our automotive industry. Before we begin with this week's news roundup, do click the bell button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on our daily uploads.
Mahindra partners with CSC Grameen E-Store. In the partnership between Mahindra and CSC Grameen E-Stores, the Village Level Entrepreneurs Network will act as a sales touchpoint for Mahindra and Mahindra. Through this strategic partnership, Mahindra will have its touchpoints across 7 lakh villages in India. Customers can visit the Grameen stores for enquiries and purchase of Mahindra vehicles. As of now, Mahindra has offered this service for Bolero, Bolero Neo, Scorpio, XUV 300, Marazzo, Bolero Pickup and the Bolero Maxi Truck. Customers' enquiries will be placed digitally and further, they will be entertained via their nearest dealership for the test drives. Mahindra is confident in making its purchase process much more effective with this approach of combining digital solution with the skilled VLEs to offer convenience and comfort to the customers in rural India. MG India launches the MG Charge initiative. MG India recently launched a campaign, MG Charge, under which they will install 1000 fast AC chargers across residential colonies in India. These chargers will be of Type 2, which is compatible with the current technology of EVs and will even be compliant with the upcoming EVs in the future. MG India, through this campaign, is trying to assure the customers of the growing EV infrastructure and push the consumer towards EVs. MG India collaborates with Electrify, Exicom, eCharge Base and the Resident Welfare Associations to enable this initiative. Audi India announces price hike. Audi India has just announced a price hike of 3% across the lineup. This hike comes into play due to the rise in input cost of production because of the disrupting supply chain in the automotive industry. Price hike will be effective from 1st of April. Customers have been assured of price protection until then. Tata Altroz DCA bookings open. Hearing the automotive journalists and the customers, Tata Motors has finally disclosed their plans of launching the Altroz with a dual-clutch transmission. Tata names it the Altroz DCA, which stands for Dual-Clutch Automatic. The Altroz DCA will come powered with the same 1.2-litre Revotron petrol engine. The DCA variant is being launched with a new color option, the Opera Blue, and this variant will be available in the top 3 trim options, the XT, XZ and the XZ Plus. The dark range will also be available with the DCA variant. With a booking amount of Rs 21,000, the Altroz DCA can be booked at your nearest dealership. So viewers, that's all in this week's episode of Auto Shots. Stay tuned to our channel for such interesting automotive content. If you like our content, do hit the like button and share this video with your friends.